and welcome to Leon's Lockpad. This is not a picking video, this is a parcel opening video, as I've got a fantastic parcel from the Southampton lockpicking club. But before we do, if you're interested in locksport, you want to get involved, please check out www.uklocksport.co.uk, which is UKLS, or you can find me on Discord or Extraordinary League of Pickers, and at Locksport Anonymous on Facebook. And if you like to see my channel, you want to see some more, hit that subscribe button, that bell icon, as I make 2 to 3 videos per week, from picking locks to challenge locks to locks tools to all type of lock stuff related, really. Now, before the new year, I asked him if he would kindly send me one of his stickers so I could stick it on the backboard. And he said he was sending me a parcel anyway, so fantastic. Now, I've got it covered at the moment because there's addresses all over it. I haven't had time to take them off, so you bear with me for 1 second. Let me just at least get in the outer packaging off, and then we can get into the actual parcel itself. Because, like I said, there's a lot of information. Oh. There's a business card as well. Let's move that. Oh, well, hey, so he sent me a combination spanner set. No, I am really. Oh, funny if he did. I've got a spanner. It's called my son. Right, let's get this down here. Ooh, let's see what's in it. Well, first of all, we got wine gums. Fantastic. Chunky Kit Kat. Oh, this is going to be hard. I'm going to have to slide. Oh, there we go. Just make sure there's nothing in the bottom. Right, let's first of all... Yes, Topic, one of my favourites. Boost. Toffee Crisp. Absolutely fantastic, mate. Right, let's have... There's a letter. I think we've got a letter. Oh wow, I love that paper. Daily, I promise to enclose you a small token of appreciation for our fantastic videos you make for us all, along with your amazing contributions to the wider sport community. We also have a package of finds you fun enclosed locks treats. Closed. Best wishes. Happy Christmas. Yes. I got the sticker that I needed. There's the letter. Just hide the details at the top. Some very shiny paper. That's cool. That's going in my letter collection. Let's see what we've got. Well, first of all, that is a bottle opener. What is in here? Oh! Wow. Awesome, mate. That is going on my actual keys. Because my old keyring now was knackered. Oh, fantastic, mate. Let's see what we've got in here. Oh, 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 wow. Oh, look at the size of that little wafer lock. That is cute, man. Look at that. Sorry the lighting's not so well. I'm doing this at night time, so the lighting's not so great in here at the moment. These tiny little wafer locks. Oh, tubular lock. Fantastic. Another wafer lock. Double-sided wafer lock. And all the keys. That is absolute ace. Awesome, mate. Thank you very much. Oh, I got there's some weight in that. Let's have a look at the padlock. Oh, it's a Yale. Oh, fantastic. It's a Yale laminated one. You know what? Oh, nice click to it as well. I have never picked a laminated version. It's had a bit of a rough life. Absolutely sorted. And now we've got this big bag of... looks like euros. Let's see what we have. I'm not going to mix them all up. Asset. Front door lock. Some nice bitting on there. I'm not going to take these out of the bags themselves. We've got a Yale. Ooh, that is nice and smooth. Well, my camera nearly fell over there for some strange reason. It's doing its own thing. We have an ISO, yes, very nice. Oh, a couple of spare keys for these as well. Absolutely awesome, buddy. And we have, oh, a Maxus. Yes, I've seen Matt mess around with a few of these. Matt's lockpick. Let's have a look again. We got another ISO with the key. Oh, nice bitting as well on that one. And two more. Let's pull these. That says, it looks like an S-O-L-I, or it could be an S-O-F-I. I think it's a Sol. Oh, it's got some nice bitting as well. It's definitely got some nice bitting. Very smooth. And last but least comes with 3 keys. I'm sure that says Rolo. Very, very nice. Rolo. It works so smooth. Absolutely fantastic, mate. I'm really, really pleased. That is a lot of locks. Absolutely awesome. And goodies. Mine them from the kids. They always nick all the goodies. I never get to have any. Absolutely fantastic, mate. Thank you very much. Absolutely awesome. And where is it? Let's move over here a little bit. Let's get the... let's peel and stick. And there we go. Sorted. I'm so pleased with all this, including the sticker as well. So, listen, Barry, mate, thank you very much to all the lads at the Southampton Lockpicking Club. You're an absolute bunch of great guys. Please check out the channel. Absolutely awesome. Fantastic. Have a great new year, mate. Thank you very much. So, thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe. Bye. Don't forget to like.